Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Sapphire Radeon RX 7800 XT One Human Edition. So friends, Sapphire has announced a new custom graphics card for survival game fans. So friends, Sapphire is launching a new model. Its pure series inspired by the popular game Once Human, and the survival game is free to play and has gained popularity due to its use of the modern Unreal Engine 5, an engaging story and mechanics. And friends, Sapphire is preparing a special edition dedicated to fans of the game Once Human, and the graphics card uses the Radeon RX 7800 XT, featuring a design inspired by both the Pure and Plus series. And while the original Pulse 7800 XT is a dual fan model, and the special edition borrow the color and aesthetics from the Pulse series. And however, the triple fan cooler itself appears to be from the higher end Pure series, making it a hybrid of the two with custom color options. And the card is featured a full Navi 32 GPU with 3840 stream processor and 16 GB VRAM. And the announcement lacks specific details on the card specification, but it likely to use the same factory overclock as the pure model with 2169 MHz game and 2475 MHz boost. And friends, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.